keyboard replacement, SSD upgrade, and deep cleaning on Dell Inspiron 3593 laptop. Thank you, Sir Gabriel, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop to a professional repair shop for a keyboard replacement is a smart and practical decision that ensures smooth. An accurate typing restores full functionality and enhances overall user experience. A faulty keyboard, whether due to unresponsive keys, stuck keys, or wear and tear, can hinder productivity and cause frustration, making replacement necessary for efficient use. In addition, upgrading your laptop's SSD is a smart and practical decision that significantly enhances speed, performance, and overall system efficiency. Unlike traditional hard drives, an SSD provides faster boot times, quicker application, improved multitasking capabilities, and greater reliability due to its lack of moving parts. This upgrade reduces system lag, enhances responsiveness, and extends the lifespan of your device by minimizing power consumption and heat generation. Deep cleaning your laptop is a crucial and beneficial maintenance step that helps improve performance, cooling efficiency, and overall longevity. Over time, dust, dirt, and debris accumulate inside the device, blocking air vents and clogging cooling fans, which can lead to overheating, system slowdowns, and potential hardware damage. Overall, when these three services are done together, they provide a comprehensive upgrade, making the laptop run faster, smoother, and more reliably for an extended. This combination is a worthwhile investment, ensuring better productivity, durability, and long-term usability. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost. Keyboard replacement, SSD upgrade, and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your keyboard replacement, SSD upgrade, and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.